Let's see this problem. Remove duplicates from sorted list 2. Given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all nodes that have duplicate numbers. Leaving only distinct number from the original list, return the linked list sorted as well. So this linked list has been given and we have to remove duplicate numbers. So duplicates are here 3 and 4. So after removing, only distinct numbers should be there in original list. So 1, 2 and here 5. Okay, and here 1 is duplicate, so 2 and 3 is there. So we have to remove all duplicates number from this linked list and it should be always in sorted order. So just see its code. First case can be what? If this list is empty or there is only one head node, that means there is only one node, then it is already sorted. That means if it is empty, then no need to do anything. And if there is only one node, then already sorted. So I will check that condition at first. If head equal to none or head dot next equal to also none, then in this case we have to return head. Okay, so if there is no node or if there is only head, then we have to return head. I will take one dummy node. Dummy will be list node. Its value will be 0 and it will point to head. Okay, I will take another pointer for previous to dummy. So this will point to dummy. So see, what is this list? 0 and it is pointing to head currently. I will take two pointer ptr1 equal to head and ptr2 equal to head dot next. These pointers are for comparison. Now I will traverse this linked list. So while ptr2, why ptr2? Because head dot next value always we have to consider. So first case here, if ptr1 equal to ptr2, ptr1 is head and ptr2 is head dot next. So initially head is here 1 and head dot next is also 1. So if ptr1 equal to ptr2, then in this case what we will have to do? See, previous is now, this previous is pointing to dummy, so its initial node is 0 and its next node is pointing to head. So but head is duplicate here, so what we have to do? Previous dot next will be ptr2, so its next pointer will be ptr2. But here see, ptr2, no, ptr2 dot next, not ptr2, because that is also duplicate. So ptr2 dot next, so it is only pointing to next pointer 1 here. It is pointing to its address. It is still not its node. Okay, so 1 is still not its node. It is only pointing to 1. So previous dot next will be here ptr2 dot next if ptr1 equal to ptr2. Here both are equal. We will increase the value of ptr2 to ptr2 dot next and ptr1 equal to ptr1 dot next. Okay, now it will be increased. So in next loop, this one will be ptr1 and this loop, this one will be ptr2. Both are equal. Again previous dot next will be updated to 2, so it will be updated to now to its address. Okay, so now ptr2 is 1 and this ptr1 updated, and we will proceed for ptr2 ptr2 dot next. So now it will come to 2, this will be ptr2 and 1 will be ptr1. So these are not equal. ptr1 is 1 and ptr2 is 2. So in this case what we have to do is, if what is ptr2 dot next now? 2, no sorry, previous dot next is 2 and what is ptr2? This is also 2. Here ptr1 is equal to 1, this one, and ptr2 is this 2. So we will have to check what here, else if, sorry, here it should be value dot value, because we are comparing to value now, both pointers value. Actually we have to update the what previous node also. So how we will be update the previous node? uh, if condition should be if previous dot next is not equal to ptr, sorry, ptr2. If previous dot next is not equal to ptr2, see now this is equal, it's fine. Okay, next it will come to, this will be 3 ptr2 and previous dot next is still 2. So in this case we will have to take 2 as a node because this is unique here. So in that case previous will be ptr1. See now ptr2 is 3, this will go again, so ptr2 dot next after 2, this will be ptr2 and this 2 is ptr1. So in that case we will have to update previous dot next is still 2 pointing to 2 and 3 is ptr2. So in that case previous this node we will have to update to ptr1 because this is unique, no? Now see here after 0 it will come to 2, so this will be updated, this node will be updated. Okay, so what is 2 pointer, 2 next pointer is here 3, so this was ptr2, fine, and after that this will go to null, so no need to go inside again this while loop. So this is pointing to like this 0 2 and 3, so 3 is also inside this pointer of the linked list, so our final linked list will be 0 2 and 3. Okay, so we will just return here what we will return, dummy dot next, because previous is updating here, previous is now at 2 but we have to update from first position to head, so dummy is still pointing to 0, so its next value is 2. In this case previous is 2 but it might be in this case just see now 1 2 3 3 4 4 5. So for 1 previous was initially pointing to 0 dummy node, so in that case what will be this ptr1 and this was ptr2, so both are not equal, one is not equal to 2, so ptr dot value equal to, this is not the case, so we have to check previous dot next. So previous was initially dummy, so its next was head 1 and ptr2 was 2, so 1 is not equal to 2, then in that case I just do for first example. So in that case previous previous dot next equal to ptr1, so in that case previous dot next no, it's fine, no? Previous only, previous will be node will be updated, so in that case previous will be updated to ptr1, so this will become 1 because 1 is ptr1. Now again we'll move 3 will be ptr2 and 2 will be ptr1. Okay, so both are not equal again. So if condition not satisfied, else if condition we will see what is previous dot next, previous is now 1 and its next is 2 and ptr2 is 3, so both are not equal, so in this case our previous will be updated to 2. Okay, previous will be ptr1, again ptr2 is 3, ptr1 is also 3, both are equal, so previous dot next will be ptr2 dot next, that means 4, so its next pointer is pointing to 4 its address, but it still not this is the node. Okay, We can update this one. Now 4 will be ptr2, 3 will be ptr1. This 3 will be ptr1 and 4 will be ptr2. So both are not equal. Fine. But previous dot next is now pointing to 4 and ptr2 is also 4. So this condition also not satisfied. So just will move. So now this 4 will be ptr2 and this 4 will be ptr1. So both are equal now. So previous dot next now will be updated to ptr2 dot next. So its next is 5. So it will now point to 5. Okay. Now ptr2 will be 5 and ptr1 will be 4. It's updated. Now we'll check ptr2 dot next is 5. Yeah. Sorry, previous dot next is 5 and ptr2 is also 5. It is still pointing to 5. So it will go again inside this while loop. And next time ptr2 will be null. So this will be the final linked list. That means it is pointing to 1, 2 and 5. So this is the final linked list now, which all the elements are unique. Like see 1, 2 and 5. All elements are unique. This is not updated. That means this will go inside this its pointer. So our final linked list will be 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2 and 5. Okay, just run this code. Accepted. Submitted. Thank you.